welcome back to my channel. This is my third time trying to record this in the dark. So anyway, this is more like a sharing session on the Realme Watch Pro that I bought from Shopee. I think the details later I will share in the link down below. So yes, basically your default will be on the face. So if you don't like this one is like I wanted to share because like a lot of things is not in the description in the box, or I tried to Google, cannot find, or maybe I just don't know how to find. But anyway, so you just press quite long, then you can change the face. So like these are the two face that I want, or you can change in the Realme app. Later I show you the ink. Okay, so if you swipe to the right, not that like you reject in like another dating app, but if you swipe to the right, so okay, so this is like a if hand meaning raise to wake. That means like every time you shake, you can the lampu is on. And then you can also have like do not disturb on if you sleep while wearing watch. I'm still trying to get used to that. And then there's a lampu here for flashlight. I'm not going to do that because in my previous recording on this is like super bright, and I'm recording this on in the dark. And then this is the setting and the battery. Okay, so that's on if you swipe to the right. If you swipe to the left, it's like your activity, so the steps, the calorie, and then how many minutes you work out, and then like how many hours. And then if you scroll up, yes please. And anyway, there you go. And no records, you're sleeping, your heartbeat. Yeah, keep on swiping to the right. The weather. Yes, I live in Kuching. Yeah, so this is your heartbeat. And the one that I want to share is like how do you record your activity. So actually swipe to the top. Seriously, I tried to find online way on this, on the how to use this, so I really can't find. Maybe my keywords are wrong. So when you swipe, you got activity and workout. What I wanted to share, the most important thing in this video is like the workout. Please. Okay, so so these are the thing. I think Realme Pro have like quite a number, but for me, because I don't do a lot of workouts, yeah, hence the weight gain a lot lately this year. But I chose the one that I always often use, which is like for this case is outdoor or outdoor run. So the rest, like things like basketball or whatever, I delete. That way when you really, when the workout starts, like free training like Zumba, when your workout starts, you have you can really like start easy to find easily. So okay, outdoor walk. So this is the GPS is formatting, and just press start. 3 2 1, and you start. Okay, another tips that I would like to share is, okay, now pretend that we started walking. So it took me a while, like how do I stop this? Actually, you see this button at the side? Okay, maybe I'm just spastic, but yeah. So you press this button and there's a pause and there's a play. Okay, so distance is too short, that's fine, because do you want to end this workout? Yes. So basically there's a button on the side that make it stop. I was trying to figure it out for quite some time. Okay, I think probably it took me a few days to figure this out, but anyhow, so that's how it is. And I suggest to once you know, you can download the app. The app is called Realme Link. Okay, and you can see your performance or workout records. And actually you can also use the watch to check your workout records. This is my workout records, like that 30-second walk for today. But at the same time, I like Realme Link because you can also check it in the app using your phone. And then it's like, for me, I've got a bunch, like the lights and the motion light, but that one like using 3 AA batteries, but it works, you know. But at the same time, I have like the Bluetooth weighing scale, I mean, it's really value for money. Like I can afford like the high end like or the other one, the other brands, the famous brand, start with the S, start with the K. So this is it did a job for someone who's not hardcore exercise person like me. Okay, anyhow, that's my cue to leave. This is my third time recording in the dark. You see, like I still need to learn how all those people do this. So I hope you guys enjoy. Bye.